Aloha, everybody. I'm going to be going over VA loans today. Now, I'm sorry for the delay. I have filmed this video now 3 times. First time, my mic was not plugged in, so I was holding a mic and no audio was being picked up, which is great. And then the mic was dead, and the other time I filmed. So this time, everything I believe is plugged in and everything is charged, so we're good to go. Firstly, I want to say, your VA loan is not a one-time use loan. You have entitlement, you can always get a VA loan. Not only that, you are not confined to only one VA loan. You can have multiple out. Please hit my DM for more info. Now, who is eligible for a VA loan? It is going to be veterans, it is going to be active service members or service members, and eligible surviving spouses. And also, I want to add, it needs to be your primary residence. So you cannot do a VA loan on a second home or an investment property. Yeah, it needs to be your primary residence. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the minimum you need to put down for a VA loan? A fat zero. 0% down. Yep, 100% financing you can do with a VA loan. Also, I want to add, there is something called a funding fee. These are sort of your closing costs, okay? Your funding fee is determined by if this is your, first time using your VA loan or a subsequent use, so multiple times. Couple things. So make sure if you're getting a VA loan, ask your lender what your funding fee percent will be. Even better, you can possibly be funding fee exempt. If you are being compensated for a service-related disability, funding fee exempt. If you have a Purple Heart, funding fee exempt. If you are a surviving spouse of a service member, you are funding fee exempt. I'm going to talk about DTI and something called residual income. DTI for VA loans does not hold as much weight as it does in conventional loans and FHA loans and USDA loans. There is something that we look at that holds more weight called residual income. Now, if you're getting a VA loan and you ask your lender what residual income is and they don't know, you better hightail it out of there. Residual income is one of the most important parts about qualifying. So residual income is essentially what the VA says, hey, you need to have this amount of money left over every single month after your bills and your new mortgage in order to, put food in your mouth and all that stuff. The set amount of residual income you need is determined on a couple of things. Now, there are some property requirements when it comes to VA loans. I'm going to do a complete separate video about what type of property requirements there are, because there also is a ton of misinformation when it comes to that as well. I'm going to be going over VA property requirements as well as the other loans, conventional, FHA, and USDA. Okay, I forgot to add it to the video, but VA loans also have no mortgage insurance, so you will not be paying a monthly mortgage insurance. Also, enjoy the pic of my cat. Now, that is the basics on VA loans. As always, my DMs are open for any questions or scenarios or whatever it may be, or you can call or text me 708-577-8668. Hope everyone has a great day.